Okay, already seen some important concepts from trigonometry. Now we will solve a problem from applications of trigonometry, that is from heights and distances. See, which is very important problem, which is a different problem. Okay, we will try to solve that. See, a person observes the top of a tower. Here, tower is important. A person observes the top of a tower. Suppose this is the tower. Let this be foot of the tower. A person observes the top of a tower from a point A. He is observing, person observing top of this tower from A. Let this point be A. A person observing this top of the tower from this point A at an angle of 30-degree elevation. 30-degree elevation. If we join foot of the perpendicular, foot of the tower, here from this point he rotates his he rotates his uh, eyes 30 degrees here, 30 degrees elevation, after walking 30 meter towards the tower. From this point he is walking towards tower. He is walking from here to foot of the tower. He is walking 30-meter distance. 30-meter distance from point A. Let this point B. After walking 30 meter towards the tower, he observed the top of the tower with some angle. From here, once again he is lifting his head to see the top of tower and seeing with some angle. With some angle. We don't know about this angle. Here giving observe the top of the tower with some angle. With some angle. Here angle not giving. Second time. Here person lifted his head first time after walking 30 meters towards tower. Here also he is once again lifting to see the top of the tower second time here. But here not given any angle of elevation. Suppose that as theta. Suppose that some angle as theta. Also found that the remaining distance from that point to foot of the tower is 15 meter. From here 15 meter distance. He found from B to foot of the tower is as 15 meter. 15 meter. With what angle he observed the top of the tower second time. Here required angle is theta. He lifted, he rotated upward direction his head theta degrees to see the top of the tower. Here we have to here required value is theta. We have to find out this theta. To find out theta, first suppose length of this tower be h meter. H meter. H meter. Now suppose let height of the tower. Height of the tower is equals to h meter. H meter. Now I am considering to find out this theta. I am considering first KAT triangle. From triangle KAT. KAT. Here tower is at right angle. All constructions constructed upon earth making right angle. Here 90 degrees we have. Therefore I am considering right angle triangle KAT and applying tan theta. Tan 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees means opposite side to 30 degrees. Opposite side to 30 degrees in this triangle. Opposite side to 30 degrees is KT. KT. Adjacent side to theta is AT. AT. Here KT value we don't know, that is H meter. Here AT value is AB plus BT. AB plus BT. H meter by AB is equals to 30 meter. BT is equals to 15 meter. That is H meter by 30 plus 15, 45 meter. Meter will cancel. Tan 30 degrees is equals to 1 by root 3. H by 45. Here bring this 45 to left side. 45 ones are 45 by root 3 is equal to H. I am writing left side H. Now consider KBT right angle triangle. From triangle KBT. KBT. Here find out here also theta. Here which is required, which is known value. Therefore which is opposite side, which is adjacent side. That's why I am using tan theta. Tan theta is equals to KT by BT. KT by BT. KT is equals to H meter. BT is equals to 15 meter. Meter will cancel. H by 15. Here tan theta is equals to H by 15. Now substitute. Suppose this as 1. Substitute 1 in this. Substitute 1 in 2. Now tan theta is equals to H. H means what? 45 by root 3. 45 by root 3 by 15 means 45 by root 3 into 15 means 15 by 1. 15 by 1 becomes 1 by 15. 15 ones are 15 threes are. That is 3 by root 3. Now tan theta is equals to, I can write this 3 as root 3 into root 3. Denominator as it is writing. These will be cancelled. Now tan theta is equals to, we got root 3. We got root 3 here. Here root 3 means we can write as tan 60 degrees. Tan theta. Tan cancel. Theta is equals to 60 degrees. Here here asked about with what angle he observed the top of the tower second time, means asking about theta. Second time he is observing, second time a person observing from B to the top of the tower with a 60-degree angle.